Welcome to the Delphi Deep Dive Series, designed to help you finish your study in record time with confidence and clarity. This is Phase 1, Preparation. The Delphi method can be structured in three key phases. Phase 1, Preparation. Define your research question, formulate questions or theses, select your expert panel, and design your Delphi survey. Phase 2, Execution. Set up your study in dervy.org. Launch your Delphi. Monitor progress in real time and let your Delphi finish. Phase 3, Analysis. Identify consensus and key divergences. Access visualized results instantly and export clean data for reporting and publication. For each phase, we offer tailored recommendations, whether you're an undergraduate, a graduate student, or a PhD researcher. These are not strict rules, but helpful suggestions. You can always adapt or expand the process to match your goals. dervy.org supports you through every step, from designing your study to collecting data and analyzing results. This video takes a deep dive into Phase 1, Preparation. If you're ready to continue, check out our separate videos for execution and analysis. Let's get started. Step 1. Formulating the research question. Defining a precise research question is the first step in your Delphi study. This process involves four main substeps. 1. Identify a broad topic. Start by selecting a general area of interest. This could be inspired by societal challenges, new technologies, or personal motivation. Example: digital transformation in public health. 2. Explore existing literature. Conduct a targeted review of academic publications, policy papers, and reports to understand what has already been explored and where research gaps exist. 3. Narrow the focus. Make your question more specific by setting clear boundaries. Ask yourself, who or what exactly are you focusing on? In which context or region? Over what time period? And are there specific technologies, trends, or challenges you want to explore? This will help your expert panel give more precise and meaningful responses. 4. Researchable question. Your final question should be specific, relevant, and methodologically feasible. Example: which technologies will revolutionize public health by 2035? Undergraduate students can stay at a broad level and focus on a general question tied to a real-world problem. Graduate students may back their question with literature and theoretical framing. And PhDs or researchers should define an original, theory-driven question and justify its academic relevance and novelty. In our example, we defined the research question as, which technologies will revolutionize public health by 2035? Step 2. Developing Delphi questions and theses. After defining the research question, the next step is to create strong Delphi theses or questions. This also follows 4 steps. 1. Brainstorm initial ideas. Use whiteboards, mind maps, or discussions to generate possible future statements relevant to your research question. These can be provocative, open-ended, or extreme at first. 2. Conduct an extensive review. Systematically review recent Foresight literature, trend reports, and academic studies to validate or challenge your initial ideas. 3. Conduct interviews. Talk to experts or professionals to refine your understanding and spot missing perspectives or biases. 4. Host expert workshops. Organize a workshop, online or offline, to co-create and review Delphi theses with a small, diverse expert group. This ensures relevance, clarity, and balance of your statements. Undergraduate students may focus on brainstorming and talk to a few interviews or discussions with accessible professionals. Graduate students may combine literature review with some expert interviews. PhDs or researchers should use multiple sources such as literature, interviews, etc., and possibly run workshops for collaborative thesis development. In our example, we formulated 5 specific theses, each representing a transformative technology trend. Artificial intelligence as the main decision support tool in public health systems. Digital twins, reshaping disease prevention and early interventions. CRISPR and gene editing technologies, reducing or eliminating major diseases. Wearables as the foundation of predictive and personalized health monitoring. Blockchain for secure and interoperable public health data infrastructures. Each thesis was designed to provoke expert reflection across technological, ethical, and implementation dimensions. Step 3, building the expert panel. The next step to your Delphi study is assembling the expert panel. This step includes 1. Identify relevant experts. Look for individuals with proven expertise through publications, leadership roles, or field experience in public health, tech, or policy. 2. Ensure diversity. Aim for variation in terms of geography, professional background, and sector, academia, government, industry, etc. 3. Justify panel composition. Transparently explain why and how these individuals were selected. Include diversity, qualifications, and representativeness in your documentation. 4. Conduct pre-screening interviews. Use short interviews to assess whether the experts' perspectives match the study scope and if they are willing to participate. Bachelor students may work with accessible experts such as local practitioners, lecturers, or advanced students. Master students may aim for recognized professionals. PhDs and researchers should aim for a fully justified, documented, and diverse panel. In our example, we recruited selected expert panel of 20 participants. The panel included professionals from academic research, healthcare delivery, policymaking, and the digital health industry. We ensured diversity in expertise, geography, and roles, including early career experts and senior decision makers. This allows us to later explore differences in response patterns by stakeholder group, experience level, and professional background. Step 4. Preparing the Delphi survey. Design and pre-analysis. Thinking before the Delphi survey is distributed, the survey environment must be prepared, both in terms of structure and future analysis. Derve.org helps you consider relevant settings. There are 4 key aspects to consider. First, define the response format. Choose how experts will interact with your theses. For example, using a Likert scale, probability ratings, or open comments. Example: please rate your level of agreement from 1 to 5, and optionally, justify your answer. Second, include stakeholder identifying questions. This allows future segmentation of results. Example: what is your professional background? Academia, policy, clinical practice, or tech industry? Third, plan for capturing sentiment. Your survey should enable the identification of positive, neutral, or critical tones. Example: are you optimistic about technologies revolutionizing public health? Fourth, anticipate subgroup analysis. If you want to compare responses across stakeholder types, regions, or experience levels, you need to collect that metadata now. Example: how many years of experience do you have in the public health sector? Please note, while detailed data analysis will be the focus of our Deep Dive Video 3, the analysis part, it's essential to plan ahead. If you skip this design layer, deeper insights may be lost later on. But don't worry, if you use Derve.org, you will not miss any steps. Undergraduate students can stick to simple rating scales and basic background questions. Graduate students should add comment fields and enable segmentation through stakeholder variables. PhD candidates should integrate structured metadata and sentiment tracking fields to support robust future analysis. In our practical example, we want to capture structured ratings and sentiments. Each thesis will be rated on 3 dimensions: impact, desirability, and expected year of implementation. We integrated the following sentiment layer. Participants indicate their overall level of optimism on a 1 to 5 scale. We allowed the comment fields for pro and contra arguments, enabling a qualitative analysis. You've seen how to prepare a Delphi study from question to survey design. To simplify your work, try Delphi.org, a platform designed for Delphi research. It offers ready-to-use templates to cut preparation time, invitation management with reminders and tracking, and built-in analysis including sentiment and subgroup comparisons. Visit Delphi.org and get started today.